the opposition plays an important role, and we cannot be taken for granted today. Our leader Rahul Gandhi was also treated the same way, and he was disqualified after the High Court judgment was announced. No justice was given to him. Within a day, he was not allowed to present himself, but he was disqualified. So, he hukumshai ji chalta, te maga dista, we condemn this, and hence we boycotted. The entire opposition decided to boycott the said function.
So Rahul Gandhi तुम्ही हांगा boycott
No, see, Rahul Gandhi is one part. We had to be taken into confidence. We are MLAs here. Vidhan Sabha, now there is a monsoon session coming up. There are several queries that were raised by us. I hope the speaker, who is the custodian of the house, listens to the opposition. Last time, आमी जे BAC उलयल्ले की बाबा हे session जे जाता, that has to be minimum of 4 weeks or more. Also, replies are not given to us within 48 hours. So, all these things I feel that somewhere to stifle the voice or silence the voice of the opposition, एक प्रयत्न चलला. So, we condemn them. It was decided by the opposition together that we would boycott it.
सभापती तवडकरान बिर्लाची देख घेवन खंय गोंयच्या अपात्रता याचिकांचो निकाल दिवचो. राहुल गांधी खंय 24 वरांत अपात्र केल्लो. बीजेपीक थोमणो.
ऑनरेबल लोकसभा स्पिकरांनी जे इतले घायेन तरी आमगे लिडराकूय तेन्ना डिस्क्वॉलिफाय केलो. आतां डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन आमगेली पेंडींग आहा स्पिकरा कडेन. म्हाका दिसता आमगेले स्पिकरान थोडे तकले बुद्धी थोडे ज्ञान घेचें की तेणें केस करून विदीन 24 hours डिस्क्वॉलिफाय केले. ते आमगे स्पिकरान इवन द हायकोर्ट हेज गिवन अ 3 months टायम फ्रेम टू टेक डिसिजन आमगे स्पिकरान घेयलें ना. सो आज म्हाका स्पिकर आमगे लोकसभा स्पिकर येयलो तो एक बरी गोश्ट. इन दिया आनी आमगेले स्पिकराक तकले थोडे मातशें एक ज्ञान घेवन ही कितें डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन हाय ती ताबडतोब तळी लायची अशें म्हणून हांव मागतां.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीश कोकाकार.